Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's a Hellcat. She's a 2018 Widebody, just under 3,300 miles, 707 horsepower, guys. This baby is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a sunroof, blacked out hood, and yellow, baby. You want to talk about giddy up and go? This has got it. She is gorgeous. Wide body and all, man. Take a look at the footprint on this baby. Brembo brakes, and look at the interior, man. Look at this thing. Man, you want to talk about fun? You can have some fun in this baby. 707 horsepower. Put this baby in gear, stomp on the accelerator, and away you go. This thing is a rocket ship. She's gorgeous. Just under 3,300 miles, barely been driven. She's gorgeous. We have had a blast with these cars. We've had several of these cars. Let's see if I can get the trunk open here. That's where the groceries go. You want to talk about grocery getter? This is your grocery getter right here, guys. Look down the side of it. Not a dent, a ding anywhere. Well kept. Now it's been upgraded to a Flowmaster exhaust system. If there's such a thing as an upgrade on one of these, man, this thing's sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Hellcat, so you can bet we checked it out before we bought it. Then the first thing we do when we get them here is we get them up on the lift and take a look at them so we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. So call him anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can call him anytime you want. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years, and this is one of the coolest freaking cars I've ever driven. So call us anytime, and we'll park this dream in your driveway. All right, guys, it's Hellcat time. We got horsepower to spare right here. 707 horsepower in this baby, and she's wide body. Big time fast. They're telling us like 10, 8 and a quarter. This thing will giddy up and go, and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can give him a call anytime you would like. That man will answer his phone if he's awake. And if you want to check this car out, we would love to have you come by the shop and check it out in person. So come on by. And we are close to the airport. If you'd like to fly in and check it out, no problem whatsoever. You want to send an inspector? No problem. We will treat the inspector just like we'd treat you. You can see down here on the dash, it's all digital, looking sweet. Look at this screen here, man. We got Hair Nation on the screen. This thing is sweet, man. The stereo's sweet too. Of course, she's got more giddy up and go than anybody needs. This thing is amazing, guys. Now, we're actually gonna get it up on the lift so you can see the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's making all that horsepower. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. Now here's our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the Hellcat now, and man, she looks brand new under here too. Look at that. I don't think this thing was ever out in the rain. I see paper tags all over the place. Now this thing's been upgraded with a Flowmaster exhaust. This exhaust, we looked it up, it's $1,500 upgrade, man. She is amazing. Look at this, still paper tags back here. Look at that, everything under here. She's beautiful under here, guys. I mean, it's a brand new car. Now, it's still got the these cutouts here. These are actually baffles in here that are computer controlled. We actually looked them up. Those baffles actually have a hole in them, so the computer actually controls opening and shutting those as you go up and down in the RPM range. And these are the only mufflers are on it. That's why it sounds so amazing. Of course, all the heat shielding and everything's there. The car's just amazing, guys. As you can see, feet of engineering under here. So this is basically where the exhaust starts. Rest of this is all factory up here. Of course, we got our 8-speed transmission. It's all factory. Again, more paper tags you can see. Again, I don't think the car was ever out in the rain. Then these gigantic brakes for stopping this beast. Just everything beautiful. You can see all the plastic clothes out here. I don't even see a scrape on it anywhere. Got, again, another paper tag here. Doesn't look like it's ever been curbed. It's just beautiful under here, guys. Tires are in beautiful shape. Wheels are amazing, man. These things are gigantic. We got Pirellis here. Let's see if I can find a size. 305, 35, 20s up front. Look at those gigantic Brembos. Man, those rotors are amazing. Those calipers. Rockers look great. Out back here. Same size out back here. 305, 35, 20s. And again, Brembos back here. Again, calipers, rotors, wheel wells, everything. Just beautiful. Exhaust tips, that's where the music's coming out right there, guys. Well, we're gonna lower it down now and see what's making the magic under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got the 707 horsepower HEMI. Everybody knows about these Hellcat motors. It's got the stock pulley on it, and it does have a cold air intake on it. We do have the stock intake, or at least the air cleaner setup. That does come with the car. As you can see, just as clean under the hood as it is underneath the car. Not much to say on this thing, but again, you can tell the car was super well kept, guys. Just under 3,300 miles on this beauty. Guys, call us. Check out our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We got about 200 cars in stock. One of my favorites right here, guys. Call Tom, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.